We have a clogged toilet here at Prasse. Okay. Looks like they tried to use a toilet auger. Alright. Just make sure. Alright. Let's just go ahead and try to run this. Okay. Okay, so it can't be snaked from the top. We're gonna have to pull the toilet up. So that's next. So we're just now getting the water out so that I can do that. Alright, so we tried snaking it. That kind of improved the flow. So I took the toilet off. What we want to do now is run water down the flange and see if there's a clog that way. If there ain't, then it's in the toilet itself. See, and that went down pretty good. That's how you can tell it's the toilet. So we're gonna have to look at the bottom of the toilet next. Yeah, this is too short for me to, I would have did it that way, but just ran the supply line a while. A little too short, so I just run it that way. Sounds like it went down perfect though. This was just a little longer. I mean, I guess I could just do it like that and catch it. But yeah, the pipe looks good. It's not that, so. Yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna flip this toilet up to the side and see what we got. May have to get a whole new toilet, so let's see here. Alright. So it should function fairly well now. Alright. Alright, so I cleared the whole thing out. Unfortunately, it looks like the toilet is jammed up with a lot more minerals than I thought. So let's see. So we put some water in the overflow. I mean, I don't even see nothing coming out of these jets at all. So there it goes. Yeah, got a little bit of a flush. It's still slow, which indicates that, and it looks like the jet down there is in bad shape. That's why there's hardly any water coming out of that jet. So it's just clogged up with mineral deposits. This jet is, and there's a little hole over here. Yeah, you can see where it's just dribbling out hardly. So it's not giving it the power that it needs. It's clear, but it doesn't have the power that it needs. You can see it. You see it just basically dribbling out. Barely. So I'm going to recommend a new toilet, I think. Even that fill valve looks messed up. All these bubbles coming out of it. It's not normal. This is really old school too. It's just an old toilet. Yeah, so I mean, little flush now, but very not too effectively. Just doesn't have that jet anymore. The jet is clogged up. I even staked it and cleaned it out, but it still is so. There's so much mineral deposits probably built up. The only way to treat it with vinegar, maybe. I mean, it's working, but might get by until a new toilet's bought. We'll just have to see here. Alright. Alright, so
yeah, no, it wasn't that far.
yeah. Alright, so